Unlock the full potential of your Sony A7 by ensuring it's running on the latest firmware. Firmware updates are crucial for boosting performance, fixing bugs, and even unlocking exciting new features for your camera. Let's dive into how you can easily find and install them. The first and often simplest method is to check directly from your camera. Press the menu button, typically located to the left of the LCD screen. Navigate to the Setup menu. This is usually represented by a wrench or gear icon. Scroll through the various tabs until you find the version or firmware version option. Here, you'll see your current firmware version. Many Sony cameras, including the A7 IV, have a built-in notification system if an update is available and you are connected to Wi-Fi or your camera has a direct internet connection. It might prompt you here. Alternatively, or if your camera doesn't prompt you, your best bet is to visit the official Sony support website. Search for your specific camera model, the Sony A7. Once you're on the product support page, look for the firmware or software section. Sony typically lists the latest firmware version available, along with detailed release notes explaining what the update addresses. You'll need to download this file to a computer. The process of transferring and installing this firmware from your computer to your camera usually involves formatting an SD card, copying the downloaded file onto it, and then initiating the update process through your camera's menu. Always follow Sony's specific instructions provided with the download carefully, ensuring your camera battery is fully charged and you don't interrupt the update process. Keeping your Sony A7 IV updated is a small effort that yields significant benefits. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your photography gear.